Yo. Tippity top, what up? 6 Billy Bands, Bob Marley, Marco, AS. Yeah, looking good. Yo, AS, send me did you get that? Did you take care of that Take Proper Trader account you won? I want to get you square. I want to get squared up with you, bro. Dominic Jones. Man, I don't just trade London. I trade I trade whatever, bro. But yeah, London. I like trading London. I like trading London. I like trading. I did some damage during Asia. I trade honestly. I'll just trade whatever. But I do like the overnight. What up, TJP? 17. You took 17. Damn, you caught the long for that long. That's fucking great, bro. I wish I could hold positions that long. I definitely could hold winners longer because I take a lot of good trades. I just don't hold them long enough. I miss out on monster moves. Even like a big candle like this, I missed out on earlier. Similar type of candle, I miss out on shit like that. You got to get the account. AS, you got to get the account right. Use my coupon code so you can get that 50% off. Here, click on the link in the description, or I'll drop the link in here again in the chat. By the way, this is my Take Proper Trader link. Take Proper Trader is doing 50% off. AS won a free Take Proper Trader 50K account earlier today. We were celebrating because we were celebrating the fact that I passed both of my 150K Take Proper Trader accounts. And somebody was very kind enough, Reezy Banks or Reza Banks was super kind. Yeah, Reza Banks was super kind and donated a good portion of a free Take Proper Trader account. They donated $50 to the channel. They hit the super chat for a giveaway, specifically to do a giveaway, and then I took care of the rest. And AS won. AS won a free 50K Take Proper Trader account. So all you got to do, AS, is click the link right here or in the description, and then put in coupon code ZERODAYJAY to lock in that deal, and then hit me up. I sent you a message on the Discord. Hit me up on Discord with your receipt after you get the account, and then I will send you the money via Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. If you want Tron coin, I'll send you Tron coin. I don't care. That's all you got to do, bro. You won the account, so I want to make sure we get you squared up. Julia, all I need from you is all I need from you is a screenshot of your payment receipt. The email you get from them or whatever, and then whatever, however you want to get paid. So I'm going to be sending you $85, however you want to get paid. He wants Cole's cash. He wants Cole. He wants some P. I'll send you some Peasy, bro. Daniel Edwards, what's good? TJP, what up? Let me get my thumbnails up in here. Yeah, so as soon as you take care of that and you send me your payment receipt, and how I can send you money, we'll get you squared up. Because you won fair and square. Your number got picked, which is awesome. I was actually, I thought you were fucking with me at first. I was like, oh shit, you did win. I was like, yeah, I hope it really is you. And it turned out it was. So that was cool. That was definitely cool. Um, I'm just setting up, just adding some tags to my video so I could hopefully find more people, or more people could find me. Don't know if they matter, but I throw them in there. Now, boom, boom. Anyway, anywho, what up, Nao? Mad Scalper. And so he has to have the money to buy an account to get an account? Well, I mean, shit. I don't know how else to do it. I can't just gift. I don't think I could just gift him an account. Man, if you don't have 85 bucks, man, you shouldn't even be fucking hanging out with prop firm traders. That's probably the last place you need to be. You need to be fucking out somewhere working, doing something, hustling to get money. You know what I'm saying, man? Scalper shouldn't be hanging out with a bunch of fucking degenerates. But I don't think that's the case with AS. But just in general, generally speaking, if you're fucking broke, you shouldn't be hanging out on prop. I mean, unless you want some motivation and inspiration, but if you don't have any money, you shouldn't be fucking doing prop firm trading. You should be out fucking, doing Uber Eats or something, doing anything that will get you money. I mean, I know. How else do you want me to do it? What if I send him the money and then he doesn't get an account? He just takes the money and fucking buys fucking crack with it or something. Like if you give a homeless person money, they're not going to go get food with it. They're probably going to go buy more drugs or some shit or booze. Not in every case, but like I said. So he's going to get the money right back. Anyone who I've done a giveaway, anyone who's gotten a free account from me got their money right quick. As soon as they hit me up, they got their money. What did I give? How many? I don't even know how many accounts I gave away so far. Probably like 10 or 12. I don't even. I did a giveaway at 1,000. I did a giveaway at 1,500 and 2,000. Maybe I gave like 7 or 8 accounts away. Some guys do giveaways all the time. I'm not trying to do a giveaway all the time. Not because I'm, stingy. It's just then people will just come hang out hoping that I give something away, as opposed to hanging out and maybe, just hanging out with other awesome traders and awesome people. I'd rather attract awesome people than a bunch of fucking moochers, Anyway, so this is, hope you guys are having a good night trading. I am in my Apex account. This is what I've done so far. I'm done. Honestly, I'm done trading with my Apex account. Yeah, but what's the point? What's the point of doing an account giveaway if they're not getting an account and getting reimbursed? That's the way I see it. Why would I give someone $50 for a free account and then they go and take the $50 and do something else with it? That defeats the whole purpose of a free account giveaway. What's up, Franny? Plus, like if they use my coupon code, maybe I'll get a little bit of the money back by way of commission, and to make it easy for me to give it away. Whatever. Well, they don't have to use my coupon code. They could use anyone's coupon code. Just send me the receipt. It's not that big of a deal. You can't just sign them up. I shouldn't have to do it for them anyway. We're all grown-ups here. We're all adults here. What up, dope book futures? It's not rocket science. You get your account, you send me proof that you got it, and then I send you your money back. It's not that big of a deal. Get on a Zoom? What do you want? Why would I? What you? Dude, you could get on a Zoom with them. What am I? I gotta I gotta hold their hand and make sure that they do it. I'm not getting on a Zoom and signing up for them. It's not that big of a deal. I know it's crazy. I don't understand. I don't think man. I think Matt Scalper just likes to look a little too deep into certain things. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, that's the other thing, Dominic. And like, imagine if it was an Apex account and I said, "Hey, Apex, can I buy an account for somebody?" I won't hear from them for like a fucking month. I've actually had one person win and didn't really care and said, "Don't even worry about it, bro." Like I tried to connect with them. They were like, "It's no big deal." They still come and hang out on the stream. I think it was Eric K. Eric, I think Eric K. He didn't give a fuck. He's like, whatever. Yeah, hold on. I'll give him my Kohl's card, my Kohl's Cash card. Yeah, prop firms are very weird about fucking having multiple accounts in the same name. I learned the hard way with Apex. So anyway, here's how I'm doing with all my Apex accounts. 85. Today is day 8. I took a trade or two. I don't even remember how many trades this was. Probably one, hopefully. I don't remember. This is day 8 is in the books. I could flip micros on Monday and Tuesday. But I'll probably take a trade. I'll take a trade. One trade. I'll have a short leash. I have $402 to lose. That shit is over the profit threshold for a 150K account. You have to get the 5,100 in profit. I did that. Over by 400 bucks. And then I got moved on to 88. Got this up 273. This account, this account is real close to 2,600. The only problem with this account is I had it yesterday. I did $1,000.60. So I need to grow this. I need to grow this to $3,359. So I need another $1,000, $1,020. Yeah, that's what I need. Another $1,020. And the other thing is, I'm only on day 5 with it. What up, Suarez? What's going on? What day am I on? I'll tell you right now what day I'm on. 88. What is that? 88. I think I'm on day 5. No, I'm on day 6. Oh shit, I'm on day 6 with 88. That's fucking cool. And I don't even like. I don't need to like. If I don't get it done, and if I don't get another $1,000 in 4 days, like I'm okay with that. I can't request a payout until the 15th, the soonest anyway. So if it takes me an extra day or two, then so be it. Maybe it won't. Maybe I'll do it in 2 days or 3 days. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. You know. And then so that's that one. And then 89 is on day 4. I got that up another 332 bucks. So that's this one's almost halfway there. I didn't have any crazy. I didn't do any. I didn't go over the 30% consistency rule at all with this account. And this is on day 4, so basically halfway there through 4 days. And then this one, 91, is on day 2. I got it up 173. I can't request a payout on this one until September 1st. So I don't need to push this. 173 is fine. I'm averaging $230 a day. I'm sure, on green days or whatever, like there'll be days when I do 400 bucks or 500 bucks. It just depends on how it goes. I'm perfectly fine with this. Like I don't need to trade. Honestly, I don't need to trade anymore for the rest of the day, but I'm going to. You know what I'm going to do? Also, and I traded after hitting the fucking daily loss limit for the 3rd fucking time with my funded futures. Now I'm working it back again. I did 390 bucks today. So I guess I'll just this time. I'm hoping 3 times is a charm, and I don't have to fucking. I don't want to. It's the third. This is the second time. So I hit the daily loss limit on the second day I had this funded account. I had this is a funded account, um, and then I worked it all the way back to just over break even, and then I hit the daily loss limit again, and then I worked it back to just about break even, and then I hit the daily loss limit again. So I'm hoping this is 3 times a charm, and then this time I could just work it up and get a fucking payout because that would be cool. Um, so that's that. But whatever, I'm just gonna keep pushing. Whatever, keep moving forward. And I just heard that My Funded Futures lets you reset funded accounts. They just added that. I think they just started doing that, which is pretty cool. I don't know how much they are. If anyone knows, let us know in the chat. I'm hoping to not. I'm hoping to not find out the hard way. Like I'm hoping to not find out because I nuked an account. But I'm just curious. And then we have the Take Profit Trader test accounts. I pushed them over yesterday during the stream. I did it for the stream. So fucking excited about this. I'm gonna have two 150K funded Take Profit Trader accounts. The only thing I have to do now, and I'm gonna do it right now because why the fuck not, is I need to flip some micros on day. This will be the only time you'll see me trading micros, unless I'm like within a couple $100 of nuking a funded account. But this is the only time you'll really see me trade micros. I wish Alfred was here. I don't even care if I lose money. I'm literally up $365. Let's see. I'll try to get some gains because I'm a yeah yeah. I got $7 more, baby. All right, I'm done. This account is officially passed now. This was day 5. It's officially fucking passed. That's fucking awesome. If it wasn't fucking 1:30 in the morning by me, I would be fucking going woohoo a lot louder. That shit is officially done, and I fucking flipped one micro in both accounts for a $7 gain. Fuck yeah. Let me make sure that there's no open orders. Exit all position, cancel all for 527. Exit all position, cancel all for 42. Let me just double check that. You gotta be sure. I like to double, triple, quadruple check. Fuck yeah. It's about fucking time. I don't know why it took me so long to pass another fucking. I kept nuking these accounts. I mean, I've had funded Take Profit Trader accounts. So I'm not going to do the same thing I did with those, like the ones I had before. Like I was so fucking caught up in the possibility of getting paid on day one, or after day one, that I fucking would do dumb shit and hit the daily loss limit. So now I'm just going to take my time with these. I'm going to build them up. I'm going to build them up. Like if I could build up a nice little cushion in any trading day, I will fucking take a shot. But I'm not going to take a shot right from the get go. I'm going to fucking build the shit up intelligently. I'm going to trade them the same way I traded my Apex, my 150K Apex account. Got that shit done in fucking what? 8 days? Well, I got it done in 7 days, and then I pushed it over a little bit more. Pushed it a little higher on day 8. Damn, this fucking market is pumping, man. Pumping. Where the fuck are we going? Let me look at the hourly. Here, 617. Maybe it's gonna go to the 200 at 650. Oh, I didn't even let people know in the fucking Discord that I'm on the stream. I gotta let the DGen fam know. I gotta let the DCA gang. Oh, forgot to tell use guys that I'm on, that I'm live. Shit, my bad. My bad. How long have I been on for? 20 minutes? What up, Canine Trader? Chris Daly, what's going on? Tamimi, Rob Moores, Ezekiel. What's the payout for the 150K on what? Apex? What up, Ezekiel? 2750. HR, what's good? Arnie, what's up? I haven't seen you, Arnie. Thank you, Nail. Yeah, I'm excited too. I'm not going to do anything fucking stupid, I swear. At least I'll try not to. What up, one trade a day? User 1018. I just used your code for my first Apex account, 25K. I already had to contact the help desk for password. That's weird. It should be right in the dashboard. Like you should be able to. Hold on, let me log into my Apex account. Spam me all you want. I don't care. Chances are I won't even see it because I have like 500,000 unread messages or more. All right, so watch this. So you're on the dashboard. It's right here, TradeEvade account. If you bought a TradeEvade account, it should be right here on the dashboard page. Your login should be right here. Unless they're still setting it up for you. I don't know how long ago you did, but thank you for using the best coupon code in the world. I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. What's up, High Mountain Trader? Create wealth. Yeah, I know. It's fucking running. It is running. NQ longs. 615, take profit. Yeah, you got it already. Oh, it definitely got there, Nail. It just got there. Great job, Nail. Let's pound the confetti for Nail. She hit her take profit. What up, Curtis? You called that long. Great, man. I knew it was going to go long too. I have nothing to trade. I have to get a new eval. I've been watching this shit all night. I've been waiting for this to happen. It blew through the fucking previous day's high. Yo, Curtis. You know what? What up, Black Wolf? Jason Breakfast. Yeah. It's great when you're right. It sucks when you're not. It really is the best coupon code. I tell everybody. It's not just hyperbole. And thank you, Curtis. By the way, we got guys getting Apex accounts here. Apex is doing 80% off. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have those type of issues with Apex. I don't know. It might not be activated yet, which is weird though, because if it wasn't activated, you wouldn't have that login info. But whatever. Don't be in such a rush anyway. I mean, whatever. They'll take care of it. With that said, Apex extended their 80% off sale. 1 day to pass, $35 resets, which are great. They're habitual sale extenders. The sale was supposed to end July 9th. Then they extended it to July 30th. Oh, wow. I'll tell you one thing. If we get to this 200 here, we're probably going to fucking reject off of it. I don't know for how many points, but I have a good feeling. I'm suspecting that we're going to go backwards once we hit that. I could be wrong. Damn, that's a fucking big candle. We're up. Damn, we're up a lot. From the bottom, we're up 600 and fucking 10 points, 620 points. Yeah, Apex extended it till July. They extended it from July 9th to July 31st, then they extended it a week, and then they added another week on top of it. So the 80% off sale ends August 15th, sometime next week, I think. You know what else ends on August 15th? Yeah, that's a good deal. It's a good deal, user. Just take your time trading it because the 25Ks are really good accounts because you only need to go up $1,500, but you only have $1,500 in drawdown. You know what else is ending on August 15th? The lifetime $85 PA activation fee with Apex on the big accounts, which is sad because I'm going to miss that. Maybe they'll extend that too. I have a feeling they're going to extend that too because it's not only is it a really good deal, but I know they're saving money. They're getting more money. They're keeping more money by pushing people into the bigger accounts. It just makes sense to me from a business standpoint and a cash flow standpoint. They are definitely their cash flow. They are definitely more. They have more cash flow available to them ever since they started that promotion. Because it's harder to pass those big accounts for starters. It's fucking hard, especially like people are going for it with the 300K accounts. You have to go up $20,000 in profit with a $7,000 drawdown or $7,500 drawdown just to pass. And then the 250Ks are 15,000, and the 150Ks are 9,000. And the 150Ks are the easiest one of the three. And then you have to, and then like you don't have to go up as much to get to the profit threshold, but on a 250K, you have to get to $6,600. That's a lot. It's a fuck ton. So a lot of people are probably nuking accounts, resetting them, all that shit, paying the fucking lifetime activation fee, and blowing the funded accounts. So more so than they would with like a 50K account or a 25K account. So it's definitely they are habitual sale extenders. What up, Sammy Rogers? I have 5 days to get what right? You talking to me? You never trade a new account on a Friday knowing it's the last day of the trading week? I fucking yeah, Dominic. I don't know if you were talking to me. I don't. I'm probably gonna get some new evals for the. I'm probably gonna get another eval. Yeah, Nao. Fuck yeah, I agree. Oh, no, the guy that just bought a new account. Yeah, I thought you would. I wasn't sure if you were talking to me. You never know in the chat, so I just wanted to make sure because yeah, I mean he's probably not gonna hear back from them until fucking who knows when anyway. Monday, Tuesday. They're not. They're not. Although when I had an issue setting up new accounts, they got back to me pretty quick. But like when I was waiting, when I asked them about my fucking custom coupon code, it took them forever to get back to me. Yeah, he'll be fine. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like, there's no fucking rush. There's no rush. Plus, like, if you pass it now, let's say you pass an Apex eval today, you still won't be able to get paid until September 1st. We're gonna miss anything past now. Anything past in the coming days, the next available payout window is September 1st or September 5th. So like, there's no hurry. Just like this account, like I'm on day 2 with this account, 91. I can't get a payout on the 15th to the 20th. I'm not going to have my all the days in that I require. I will fall short of the 10 days on the 20th. I'll be on like day 8. So like, yeah, it's not a lot of money. 173. I don't fucking care because it doesn't matter. I can't request a payout for literally like 3 weeks. More. We're on today's the 9th. Yeah, 22 days or 23 days. I mean, I do rush evals. Like I'm always trying to just get them fucking over with and pass. But the funded accounts, I try to take my time with. You know, sometimes I just get caught in some shit. This account was it 91 or was 89? 89 was a fucked up. I had a fucked up trading experience with 89. To be honest with you, this happened. I got caught in this dump. I was just about. I was down in this account a bunch of times. Watch this. Let me show you this account. When did I stop trading this account? I can't really show you everything because, but look at this. I lost $815 there, $495 there. So what is that? Fucking $1,300. This thing was teetering on the edge of being nuked, and then I knew what was going to happen. I knew I got bottom ticked. And what did it do? It fucking bounced all the way back and then some. So I started taking some longs. I got 620 back. I got 330 back. I got 460 back. And then I got 90 here. I got 60 there. I got 140. I got 110. I got 110. And I think by that point, I was up $332. And then I stopped. And I was like, okay, I'm done for the day with this account. But it was almost a goner. And I still have been nuking funded accounts. I had more than this. So, look, if you notice, there's no 86, there's no 87, there's no 90. What happened to 86, 87, and 90? They're gone. They didn't just walk away. I fucking wrecked them. Oh, by the way, I dropped my Apex link. Oh, and my funded futures, I dropped these links. I didn't even drop my coupon code. The best coupon code in the world is, right? The best coupon code for Apex, Take Profit Trader, my funded futures, and Bullinox. Bullinox is doing 90% off, by the way. If anybody who likes to trade on Rhythmic and wants a cheap 50K account for $17.50, get a Bullinox account. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Uh, Sammy, on the Apex one, I'm pretty sure you're asking about the Apex one. I need 2 more days. I got day 8. Today's day 8. So tomorrow I'm just gonna have a short. Tomorrow, well, Monday and Tuesday I will have a very short leash. I don't care if I win or lose. I'm gonna fucking set. I actually have it set already. Look what I did. You can set your risk settings in Apex with TradeAvate. So I have a setting. I'm not going to lose more than $200. I can't lose more than $200 in a day. I'm going to change that. Actually, I'm going to lower that to 150 because I don't want to the spreads have been a little crazy with the NQ recently. So I'm not going to let myself lose more than 150 in a day. So no matter what happens in the next week, I'm going to trade them. I'm not going to flip micros. I just don't want to flip micros, even though Apex says you can. I don't fucking trust that shit just because it's Apex. I know it's fine, but I want to trade, and I'm willing to lose $150 each day, which the lowest it'll take me is 155, 200. You know what? I'll make it even less. Let me set the risk settings to just in case of the spread 125. I can't lose more than 125 a day in that account. So for 85, let me just make sure that's correct. Now, if I lose 125 on day 9 and 10, that's $250. If I hit the daily loss limit I set for myself through TradeAvate, I will lose the most $300 on those 2 days, and I will still be over the threshold. Yeah, I wasn't doing no 250. I will be $150 over the threshold. Is that what it is? Let me fucking double check. Now I'm fucking confusing myself. Yeah, 125 a day, 125 daily loss limit. I'll lose 250 tops, and that will, if that were to happen, if that were even to happen, right? I'll be at $155,252. So I'll still be over the threshold. So I'm fucking good. And my metrics on this account are really fucking good. So they can't fucking give me any shit about, oh, your risk to reward ratio is blah, blah, blah. They can't say shit. Honestly, I didn't DCA. I didn't bracket trade. I didn't do any opening range bullshit. I'm not even open. I'm not even awake for that. I didn't trade news. I didn't do anything that would, raise any red flags that they would want to deny me. Although there's only one thing. I did take a trade. I didn't realize, well, they don't specify any numbers, but that day on Sunday, going into Monday when the market was down, the market was down over 5, it was down almost 6%, the NQs. I did take a trade when the NQs were down more than 5%. They don't specify, other prop firms do. They just said, you don't want to be trading when it's like that because the whole market could get halted and you could get fucked. That's basically how they worded that. So I don't think I'm going to have an issue with that. That was just one day. I don't think I'm going to have an issue with that, to be honest with you. I've had this account. I got it much after that. I just want to see what my metrics are. Check this out. Average losing trade, $235. Average winning trade, 243. My risk to reward is fucking almost 1-to-1. I mean, got a good winning percentage, 72. It's actually higher than that because there are some trades I took where I added to a losing position one time, and I ended up winning the trade. but the original contract that I purchased might have still got sold for a loss, even though I won the overall trade. So really, my win rate is probably like 80% plus. But yeah, this fucking metrics are money. Went too aggressive and blew up a 50K PA yesterday, but close to passing a 250K. Yeah, those 250Ks are nice, man. I want to get some more 250Ks, honestly. Why do some firms not like bracket trading? I don't know. Apex definitely doesn't like it because they trade. It's the type of bracket trading. It might not even be the real. Um, I do like I did K9. I actually. Well, let me ask. I'm going to answer Dominic's question first. They don't want you. This is. Let me get you. Let me get you their exact wording. Rules. All right. This is their rules. Only directional strategies with bias and reason according to consistent strategy are qualified. Contractor, aka us, degenerates, cannot place a non-directionally biased trade based on bracket orders in both directions. This means you cannot have a limit order to go long on one side and a limit order to go short on the other side, in hopes of the market breaking out one way and making profit, one way or the other. This is the exact opposite of disciplined and consistent trading of a set system. This is often the sign of a trader not having a system and just working the system in hopes of catching some big move. No idea, bias, or rules of a system giving a direction, reason of entry. News trading, chasing the market, taking advantage of breakouts with no directional bias system, morning open breakout trading, non-directionally biased breakout bracket trades, any attempt for windfalls without following a strict set systematic trading system that is traded normal day to day in the account is prohibited, and any amounts accumulated during prohibited times of trades will be removed. I've never seen that happen, but yeah, I mean you know that's just how they are. You know who's not like that? You know who doesn't give a fuck what you do? Take profit trader. Take profit trader doesn't give a fuck what you do. The only thing they don't want you doing is trading FOMC, CPI, non-farmer payroll, and like a couple like bonds. They don't want you trading crude oil when some sort of crude reporting is happening, and they don't want you trading bonds when there's bond auctions. That's it. Everything else is up for grabs. There's no consistency rule in funded accounts. With take profit trader, you could DCA, you could micro scalp, you can bracket trade, you could have inconsistent positioning sizes. You can gamble on the opening range breakout. You can trade earnings. You could take profit out on day one. You could get paid literally every day with no questions asked. They won't go up your fucking butthole. They won't be like that, the TSA and South Park when they're like, let me check your asshole, sir. Remember those episodes where they would check your asshole in South Park? None of that shit goes on. They don't give a fuck. All they care, they don't want you trading news. That's it. They don't want you to be in a trade a minute before, during, or after. So pretty cool. And the best coupon code is ZERODAYJAY. I haven't even done that yet. And by the way, my funded futures, you can get a whopping 5% off using my coupon code. But the cool thing about my funded futures is you're basically you're paying for your when you get your account, you're also paying for your fucking funded account too. All you have to do is pass. So this funded account that I have, where is it? This funded account that I have right now, I paid $76 for when I bought the starter account. It's a 50K starter account. I paid $76 for it after using the coupon code. I got a whopping 5% off, but it's better than nothing. And then I passed it on the first try. So I have my funded futures account for $76. It's pretty fucking awesome. But you can't get paid every day. You can't get paid daily. You can't get paid on day one. You have to follow they don't want you micro scalping. That's one of their rules. They have a 40% consistency rule. So, but it's still good, still a good deal. And if you want to take advantage of any of these offers, take profit traders 50. I don't know if I did it earlier for A and S. For AS, I don't know where AS went. Um, Hopefully he saw that and he's going to take care of it. Take Profit Trader, 50% off any size test account. And then if like let's say you get your account you get a funded account, you pass it, and then you get it to a payout on you. Once you get your first withdrawal, after you request your first withdrawal, they will refund you 100% of your test account fee, which is pretty cool. So that's their new deal that's going on. Just make sure you use the best coupon code. Best code ZERODAYJay for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and Bullinox. Bullinox is 90% off. So that's all I got. I'm a habitual link dropper. That's probably the last time I'll be dropping a link unless someone asks for it again. What's up, Marvin? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Dominic Jones. I don't know if you can't go over 4. You can't have more than a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I think, with Apex. They don't want it to be more than 4-to-1. So I'm pretty much 1-to-1. Yeah, Rob Morris, bro. Yeah, bro. I mean, I probably blew up like 5 or 6 funded accounts in the last 2 weeks, which is fucking annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, Top Step doesn't care. Top Step doesn't care that much. I have a Top Step account. I just don't trade it during the stream because I don't want to give them any run. I haven't traded it in like 2 months. And then I decided to, and I've been paying the $19 a month because I got it when they were doing that crazy deal back in June. And I blew them all, but I kept one. I keep getting pinged for $19. It's worth $19 to keep an account for a 50K account. And I went up $1,653 the other day in like 2 or 3 trades. What up, Trading Star? Jonathan, what's up, man? Yeah, the activation. Yeah, the activation fee is $130. You know what? People are like disappointed or annoyed with them right now. They literally ran a promotion for 2 months that you could get 40% off any test account. Um, you can get 40% off any test account, and then there was no fee. That was going on for 2 months. That was great, actually. But yeah, the activation fee. Every prop firm has an activation fee for the most part, except for like My Funded Futures. So they're all different. Apex is $105 a month if you do the monthly. Their lifetime, aside from the big accounts, like their regular lifetime activation fees are more than Take Profit Traders. Um, Bullinox is more. Top Step is more. Top Step is $149. Bullinox is $148. My Funded Futures doesn't have one. Yeah, I mean, they should be aware. I mean, I've been talking about Take Profit Trader for fucking months. The ones that took advantage of that no fee 40 deal are missing that shit because I miss it. I've been the accounts that I pushed over because it's a lifetime deal. It's a lifetime you have the account. These accounts are basically I just kept resetting the accounts I got from that promotion. So I won't have to pay an activation fee on these accounts because I kept resetting those accounts. What up, Canute? What up, Futures Trader 420? Yeah, so I'm still taking advantage of that no fee fucking promotion with these accounts, which is great. Yeah, they are great, man. I can't wait. My goal with them is to be getting paid like, from trading. Like, obviously, I want to get paid every day, but if I could get paid fucking, if I could get paid, once or twice a week, I'll be fucking thrilled with that because it's like, why not get paid basically whenever you want to get paid, whenever you can get paid. Um, while you're waiting for Apex to decide if they want to pay you. or waiting for, like with My Fund the Futures, you could get paid once every 2 weeks. You know what I mean? Like it's different. Like I think Elite Trader Funding, that's another prop firm. They're like 3 weeks you have to fucking trade. Fuck. I don't know if I can make it 3 weeks. You think so, HR? That'd be amazing, bro. What are my thoughts on fast track trading? I don't know. I said a lot of shit about fast track trading. Not that I had my concerns about them, but allegedly people are getting paid now. I heard Methodical Man got paid, and some other people, and that's all I want. That's all I care about. People getting paid. It's just weird that they don't accept credit cards. Still, they don't have TradeAway either, so I wouldn't be able to use them. And I probably will never use them just out of principle because you know, I had my doubts about them. So just out of fucking principle, I'm probably never going to use them. But I made a video about all of the red flags that I saw, and I just found it crazy. I just found it interesting that people would fucking just log into their bank account or walk into their bank and wire these people, as much as $800 per account. Imagine telling, you know what I mean? Like it's just fucking crazy. Or sending them Tron coin or Coles Cash. But people did it, and good for them. I just didn't want anyone to get fucked. That's all I cared about. So as long as nobody gets fucked, I have no problem with them. I just won't be trading them. I'd rather fucking trade proven commodities in terms of prop firms. I'm good with the prop firms I'm running with. I would like to get a fucking thanks. Thanks, Rob Moores. I really appreciate the support, man. I really do appreciate it. I do want to get a Bullinox account. I had a really good experience with Bullinox. They did right by me, like without hesitating. I couldn't. I wanted to trade with them, and I thought there was a workaround. I thought I would be able to find a workaround to the fact that I can't use Rhythmic on a MacBook Pro, on a Mac in general, and I don't have any PCs that I could use. I had an old PC, but my daughters did not remember. It was like an old gaming PC, but my daughters did not remember the fucking, there's like that password with Microsoft that you have to enter. Like if you download something, they didn't remember the password. Nobody can remember it. So that I couldn't download Rhythmic and sign all the agreement stuff virtually, electronically or whatever. So I was trying to figure that out, and then I forgot to fucking cancel my subscription, and I got pinged for like $175 on the rebill. And I said, "Hey, it's clear," because I was already communicating with them via support ticket about my situation, and then the fucking rebill happened. I was like, "Hey, it's obvious, it's clear that I'm not going to be able to use your platform, which is disappointing because I really wanted to try you guys out. Can I get a refund on that rebill? Because I forgot to cancel it." And they're like, "Yeah, sure, no problem. No questions asked. Same day, they processed that shit." So I have nothing but good things to say about Bullinox. At some point, I'm going to grab if I get a few, once I get a few more payouts with Apex or whatever, I'm probably going to grab a fucking refurbished HP for like $200 and then install Rhythmic on it and then remote desktop into it so I could trade it while I'm like on my Mac and stream it and shit. If I'm streaming, I could trade it while I'm streaming. That'd be fucking cool. Or just trade it when I'm not streaming and just show the results. But I'd rather be able to trade it if I feel like it with you guys watching. Simon, what's up, Simon? No, there's a buffer. You have to hit the buffer. There's a buffer on all of these accounts. Yeah, you know what? I will add here for Jonathan Schreiber. I will add the activation fee. Activation fee, pro activation fee, $130 one time. There we go. Jonathan, there you go, buddy. So right here, you see this, Simon? These are the buffers for each account that they have. They have the 20, have the 25, 50, 75, 100. Oh, well, whatever. There is a pro activation fee. Whatever, man. I put all the notes in here so that people have it. So they have all the information. I mean, to make an informed decision. So there's no fucking bait and switch. I'm not really into the bait and switch. I'll do some clickbait in a video, but when it's appropriate, but I'm not into baiting and switching people because you know what? I'm building a relationship with all you guys, you know? We're building a community here. We're building the DGen fam, the DCA gang over here. So look right here, Simon. I think you can see that. 25K is 15. Anything over 1,500 for a 25K. Anything over 2,000 for a 50K. Anything over 2,500 for a 75K. Anything over 3,000 for a 100K. And anything over 4,500 for a 150K. With that said, any withdrawal less than $250, they will hit you with a fee, an extra fee on top of their cut. What up, John O'Connor? What up, Hard Hat? Thanks, man. Yeah, bro. Next stop, habitual payouts. Yeah, bro. Yeah, of course. I wasn't like hiding it. I just, if people would ask, I would tell them. Like, anytime they would ask, I would tell them. It's also like this promotion's only been going on. The no fee 40, that promotion that had the no activation fee, that just ended on July 28th. So it's only been like a little bit more than a week. It's been like 10 days since the new promotion started. So these were my notes from that other promotion. That's when I started. See, the name of the file is TPT 40%. The only thing I changed on it was the prices on the accounts that I recommend people get, and then the actual one, the promotion itself. So the other promotion was no activation fee, so it said no activation fee. So I wasn't even thinking about adding the fact that there was an activation fee now. But there it is now. Now everything's on there. If they approve it on the Apex, if they approve this one, obviously they have to approve it. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna say that they will for sure. Like, you don't fucking know, right? But one thing I do know is if they don't approve it, I will trade my way out of whatever violation they say. I'm not even thinking about that shit. But whatever, I'll keep trading it and I'll grow it some more and then I'll request another payout. Whatever. I'm not gonna fucking lose any sleep over it. But I didn't do it. But I think the metrics on this account are fucking money, so there's no reason why they shouldn't approve it. This one I got another $1,020 to get. I would like to get this done before the 15th. So basically all of next week. When's the 15th? Is it Friday or Thursday? Oh, it's Thursday. I could do 1,020 in 4 days. That's not even that bad. I could do it probably in 2 or 3 days. But conservatively speaking, I think I could get it done by Thursday for sure. Whatever, I don't need to get it done by Thursday. I don't have to get it done. The latest I could get it done is is on Tuesday the 20th. So I could literally trade all next week and then the 19th and the 20th and still fucking get a payout with that account. So I'll be good. But I would like to get it done before Thursday so I can request a payout first thing. I'm finding that the sooner you request a payout, the sooner you get approved. And then 89, I think 89 I'm going to have until, what day am I on with 89? Fuck. Yeah, PA 88 it looks really close, but I had a day where I did $1,000. I did $1,007 the other day. I did $1,760 yesterday, I think. Wednesday going into Thursday. So I have to fucking grow that account. Now I have to grow that account a little bit more. Whoops, I wish it was 40%. I have to grow the account to 33 basically I have to get it to 33.59. So $1,019 is what I need. So I have to get this one. I have to grow this one way beyond 2,600. I have to get another $760 on top of it, which sucks. But we know what will happen though. If I am able to do it, I will have a fuck ton of drawdown after I get the payout. And then 89. What day is 89 on? 89 is on day 4. So where's the calendar? Did I fucking close the calendar? So day 4 is 89. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The soonest I can request a payout is on Monday the 19th. So with 89. And then 91 is not even close. 91's on day 2. I'm going to have to wait till September 1st. So that's all of the Apex accounts. I'm probably going to get more, obviously. Like, I think I want to get another one right now. Dan Emmons, what's up, man? What's going on? You guys missed it. I did take a trade. What up, DCA LeConte? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte's long-lost cousin, DCA LeConte. In case you guys missed it, I did take a trade during the stream. I took a trade during the stream. You guys, some of you were here, some of you weren't. Wow. Pulling back and then fucking bouncing 20 fucking points. Holy shit. I hope someone saw that coming. I took a trade in my Take Profit Trader account today during the stream. I did it for the stream. I flipped. Dan, you missed it, bro. I traded micros. Where's fucking Alfred? John O'Connor, did I say what's up to you, bro? I think I did. I'm fucking tired. I traded micros today, Dan Emmons, because I flipped them. This is day 5 of my Take Profit Trader test accounts, and I am over the profit target to pass these accounts. And so obviously I'm just going to flip micros, and I flipped it for a gain of $7. I flipped a micro. I'm officially done. I'm officially over. I'm officially passed. So on Monday I will have 2 funded 150K Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, I only no DCA. I only did it because that's all I needed to do. Yup, pound that confetti. Pound that fucking confetti. And then like everything else, I traded everything. I'm done trading. Like I'm gonna get some evals. I'll probably get an eval tonight. I don't know. There's not much movement. I feel bad because I haven't really traded, but I'm sorry, guys. I got everything over. I got everything where I wanted it to be. Everything is done. You know, I only needed a little bit more for 85 to give myself a little bit more breathing room. That's done. 91, I can't request a payout until September 1st. So and this account was down. I don't remember which account was down big. Was it 91? One of these accounts was down fucking massive. Oh, it was 89. But I'm cool with 91 being up 173. I can't request a payout until September 1st. 88 up 273. I'm perfectly fine with that. 89 up 333. I'm good with that too. You know, some days these numbers, like on the days when I'm like, there'll be days when it's $500 or $600 just because that's how it ends up. If I can hold positions long enough. But I'm cool with what this is. Like there's no point in me trying to push these any further, especially this one that's over. I'm through 8 days and I'm over the threshold. 5,100 is the magic number for 150K accounts. And look what we've been doing for the last what? The last like 40 minutes, we've been going sideways. I mean, what kind of range is this? Let's see. 51. A 32-point range. Really, I mean, take this one little drop out of the way, and the range is really 27 to 51. It's like a 20, 25 point range. A lot of fucking chop here. Fucking, trying to catch a breakout or something on these. All you can really do on these is just scalp. And sometimes you could just get chewed up and spit out by all this chop, and you end up blowing accounts. I mean, I don't know if it's happened to anyone else before, but it's definitely happened to me. Yo, what up, Mad Money Futures Trading? What up? So this is kind of like just a chilling night. It's like I could get an eval right now, but I don't know if I want to. I'm definitely going to get an eval for tomorrow. I actually have a credit for a 50K Take Profit Trader account, but I don't want to claim it right now because I don't want to pay the activation fee. I'm so fucking used to not paying for it. So I'm being fucking cheap. It's so funny. What about the ES? ES, wow, ES kind of pumped. Why isn't the NQ following? Why is the NQ chopping but the ES is pumping? That doesn't make any sense. Oh no, it's still chopping. I'm in the 15-minute. It's doing the same shit as the fucking NQ. See, look, it hit its head on the 200 on the hourly. It hit its head on the 200. You could have easily fucking played this in reverse. 50 down to, it was a 30-point fucking drop from the 200. It's funny. I'm looking at the stats on the stream. There's 2 dislikes. I wonder if Mad Scalper got mad at me and disliked the stream because I was saying, like, it's not that big of a deal that someone has to go buy the account and send me the receipt so I could give them their money back for a free account giveaway. I don't think so, though. Mad Scalper's usually super chill. He was getting a little annoyed about that, though. I'm like, bro, it's not that big of a deal. Fucking no. And I got 2 dislikes. I have a feeling I know who the other one is. They just hate me because I don't fucking let them hang out on the stream anymore because they were fucking annoying and would talk down to everybody. Thought they were the shit, and they would flip 1 micro at a time. They would trade 1 micro at a time. If did you, K9? I haven't traded. Is it really HR? That's funny. Yeah, Nicki Minaj. We all know who the fuck that person was. I knew it as soon as they started fucking vomiting in the chat. I disliked as well. What, AS, bro. I know you're not fucking broke. Smithy, what up? Do I have a sleep? Yo, you call me a cunt. Yo, are you from Australia? I fucking I used to the Big Les show is the fucking. You guys ever watch the Big Les show? All right, so K9, let me answer your question, bro. I haven't traded the ES. I haven't traded the ES in months. When I first started doing this prop firm shit. I traded the ES. That's awesome. I knew it because they call each other like you could call someone a Kent. I thought they were calling them cunts. You could call someone like you could call someone a cunt in Australia, but you're really saying what up, bro? What up, cunt? Right? But then you could call someone a cunt like you fucking piece of shit. There's like the word has 2 meanings. It depends on the tone of your voice, which is fucking funny. I know, I'm only fucking around, man, Scalper. I just always wonder who it is. Sometimes people will dislike it when I say smash the like button, and they dislike it just to be dicks. Uh, yeah, I get it, bro. I get it, man. Yeah, yeah, exactly, bro. Yeah, Smithy. I learned that on the Big Les show from watching the Big Les show. This trading star. Yo, motherfucker. Machado, what up? Yo, yeah, man, Scopper, me and you were fucking homies, bro. You never know. I wonder, like, I'm fucking around when I say it. Smash that dislike button for Trevor LeConte. Let me see how many there are now. Let's see how many fucking more there are. Let's see. All right, there's still only two. But there's always like, I'm pretty sure that fucking Nicki Minaj, they log into multiple accounts and dislike my shit because I hate them. They hate me because I wouldn't let them fucking vomit all over the fucking stream anymore. So then they went and created another. Has happened twice. They created a different account, a different YouTube account, or logged into another YouTube account they had just to come on my stream and fucking run their fucking mouth. Motherfucker. There's only one. Motherfucker only has one account, and it's his motherfucking account. It's the best name, bro. It's uh, yeah, the fucking you got guys. If you've never seen the Big Les show, you gotta fucking watch it. It's on like YouTube. Shit is fucking hilarious. What are you talking about? Oh man, fucking Sassy's the fucking man. Yeah, John O'Connor, you were here for that fucking last night. Fucking weirdo. I gave that person so many chances too, like in the past, to just be fucking cool. That's all. That's all I ask. That's all I ask of people in the chat. Just be fucking cool with everyone. And they just were like vomiting all. They always vomited all over the chat and fucking dominated it and would talk down to everybody. Yeah, sassy. I remember there was one episode when fucking Les was talking to him, or no, he was talking to someone like it might have been him, and like he wasn't listening, and then they zoomed in on his face and his fucking eye. He had fucking like bags because he was so fucking zooted and fucked up from whatever he was on. He had like bags under his eyes and his fucking eyes were all fucking bloodshot red. It was the fucking funniest shit ever. Yeah, well, no shit, it was a dude. It was fucking Nicki Minaj, fucking clown. Yeah, bro, man, Scopper, yo, a little bit. Plus, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard. Like when you're reading the chat, sometimes it happens with like text messaging too. Like, it's easy to take shit out of context. You know, but I'm not. In no way, shape, or form was I beefing with you, bro. But I won't. You know, if someone wants to come here with fucking awful energy, I will fucking check them, and I don't care. You know, they don't have a daily profit limit, motherfucker. Listen, motherfucker, they do have a 40% consistency rule. So just don't have any days that are more than 40% of your total profit. So, for example, on a 50K starter account, the max you could withdraw is 1,200 bucks. So if you're gonna go for the 1,200 max withdrawal, don't go over 480 bucks, right? If you're planning on just pulling out, because you don't have to go to 1,200 to request a withdrawal, you just have to have 5 days of $100 or more in profit on a 50K starter account. So let's say you're going to go for $1,000, just don't have a day that's more than 400 bucks. You're going to go for 500, don't have a day that's more than 100. Yeah, you could pass in a day. Yeah, you could pass evals quick. Yeah, yeah, you could pass them quick. They don't care about that. Here we are, the 200. This shit's actually moving slow compared to other nights. I guess it's because it's gonna be Friday. Man, we had a stretch of like 10 days where the fucking the NQ during the overnight. Oh, I'm on the well, whatever. It's the ES, same shit. The NQ during the overnight was fucking crazy. But yo, I still never answered the fucking canine. You still here, bro? I never really answered your question fully, and I apologize for that. My fucking uh, my ADHD is kicked in. You still here, canine? My bad, bro. What up, Bino? The way to beat the consistency rule, if you have a high day of, let's say, 900, you can come back with another day to 1100 and it beats that consistency. Yeah, that's interesting. Just keep having big days. Yeah, I mean, it's tough to do, especially when you can only trade one mini at a time in my funded futures. You can only trade one mini at a time in a 50K starter until you get to a certain amount of profit. So, K9, my bad. When I first started this prop firm shit, mid October of 2023, I was trading the ES only. But then I started fucking around. I traded ES, I traded crude, and then I was like, wow, the NQ moves just like the ES, but it's more violent. It's much more violent. There's more action, and I like violence and action. So I switched to the NQ. I also traded like crude. I traded HO, which is like home heating oil or some shit. That shit is fucking crazy. I don't recommend anyone trade that unless you don't care about blowing an account quick, because it can happen. Um, and don't ever take a position in HO during the overnight when there's no volume, because the spreads are insane. So you could literally like enter with one mini and be down hundreds of bucks instantly, even though it hasn't moved. So yeah, I didn't trade the ES for months and months and months until literally the other day. What was that? Last on Sunday going into Monday, when the market was down, the NQs were down, 5.5% or whatever it was. So what I did was, once I realized that I probably shouldn't be trading the NQ, I pivoted to the ES because the ES was only down 2.7%. The ES didn't get worse than, maybe it hit 3% at the most. So I pivoted to the ES, and I made money with it. It moved just like the NQ. It's what is it, 12.50 a tick on a mini? So it's $50 a mini, $50 a point on the minis, I think. And then and the NQ's $20 a point on the mini. So there's more. It just doesn't move as much, but I guess it doesn't need to. Yeah, yeah, exactly, bro. Whatever, like, yeah, the ES is usually smooth. The ES is probably, I mean, I don't know because I don't look at that much. I just know that the ES does not is not as like violent with the moves ever. So, you know, if the NQ is too fucking wild for you, trade the ES because it does move the same. It just doesn't move as violent. All right, be good, HR. Yeah, I'll be on. I'll be on this after. I'll be on. During power hour for sure. How much longer will I stream today? Probably not much longer because I don't really want to get an account. The market, it's literally going sideways. We've gone sideways for like an hour now. 135. It's almost 2:30. It's been almost an hour and we haven't done shit. Maybe at the new hour there'll be some more movement, but I don't have anything I need to trade, so I don't need to. I want to get it. I will get another fucking. I'm probably gonna get another Apex account or two. I'm gonna get at least one Apex account during the day and trade it, but I'm done for the day. Like, look, there's nothing for me to do. I got all that up. I got my Take Profit Trader account. All I needed to do was flip a micro because I'm on day 5 and I'm over the profit goal for both of these test accounts. So this is the last day. Don't need to do anything with this. I flipped my micros, made $7 in both accounts. So pumped about that. And then my funded futures account, I traded earlier and got it up $390. So I'm good to go. So which is in 390 divided by zero point 0.4. If I want to request a payout, if I want to get to a payout in my funded futures, I need to get to like $1,000 in profit, which I was going to do anyway because I had a $390 day today. So just based on the 40% consistency rule. So like I'm literally I could like not stream later, but I'm gonna stream. We're gonna hang out. I want to hang out with people. Yeah, I mean it does, but who? I mean, look at it on the hourly. Look at this on the hourly. It looks like it could go up another leg. I mean, look at this candle was nuts. 547. It was a 100-point candle on the hourly. I mean, we could go up another leg here and go boink, easily another 100 points. Let me look and see. Look where the 200's at. It's where at the bottom of these fucking wicks from Friday morning. Interesting. But if this goes up another leg, we're talking, here, and here's this fucking area right here. It could happen. I don't know if it will. I'll pop. Whoops. What did I do? Oh fuck me. Uh, Motherfucker. Let me refresh this. I fucked this up. Motherfucker. There we go. Good enough. So I have all my shit on here that I want. Previous day high and low, VWAP, pivots, SMAs. I don't really. Well, I'll leave it there. Orb, orbital trend line. Okay, I got everything on there that's supposed to be on there. Listen, motherfucker. What up, Bobby Lashley? Thank you, man. Thank you. What's the strategy on the 150K take profit traders? Do not hit the daily loss limit. That is the biggest strategy. Um, I'm gonna, 1 to 2 minis tops in the beginning. Build up a buffer for the day, and then maybe take shots when the opportunity presents itself. But I'm just gonna take my time. I'm not trying to fucking get 4,500 in one day. I'm just gonna grow that shit, get it to the point where I could just keep building off of it and just pull money out like as often as possible. Once or twice a week, 3 days a week, 5 days a week. I don't know, whatever it is, whatever it ends up being. New messages? There are no new messages. People are being quiet. They probably fell asleep because this stream has been. Oh, look at that! But here we go. 14. So we went from 50 to 14. That's 36 points. That was a nice little drop. 230. The 230 candle. Is VWAP on here? Hold on a sec. There. I think it is. The VWAP is right here. The 5-second chart. I have to upgrade. I pay enough fucking money. I pay enough money. Zeros, VWAP, the VWAP, as Patrick Weiland would say. It is the volume weighted average price. That's what it stands for. It's an acronym. The volume weighted average price. It's just a key level. There's going to be a lot of resistance and support there. There'll be a lot of bounces and rejections at VWAP. It's not 100%. There will be times when the fucking candle blows right through it. It's not absolute, but look, I'll show you some examples just right now. This blue line is the VWAP. The VWAP, or the WeWAP, as Tom Saber would say, my friend Tom, another streamer. All right. And then you have this green line here, down here, and this green line up here that's going with the orb. Let me get rid of the other stuff so you can see just the VWAP. Get rid of pivots, get rid of the orb, get rid of the previous day high and low. Okay, so all that's left now is the VWAP. So you see this? The blue line is VWAP, the volume weighted average price, and then above, these two lines above and below are one standard deviation off the VWAP. So it's the upper and lower VWAP bands. And there's always, not always, but a lot of times, look at this price action. We couldn't get below the lower VWAP band, bounced off of it, wicked over VWAP, but really couldn't get over it, and then rejected from VWAP back down to the lower VWAP band, bounced, kept getting stuck at VWAP, and finally got over it. Here's another example. We couldn't really get over the upper VWAP band and rejected down hard. We fucking dumped right here. Look at that. Came back into the VWAP zone. I mean, this happens fucking all day, every day. The VWAP. There's people who will only wait. Look at this. We trended up the upper VWAP band. We couldn't really break back down into the VWAP zone underneath the upper VWAP band for a while. Look at that. And look at this. We hit the VWAP here and bounced what? How many points? 18,065 to fucking, in 3 candles, like 300 something points, bouncing off VWAP right here. So it's a cool one to add to the chart. Don't take trades based, if you're gonna test it out, I'd recommend you just watch it. Don't just take a trade at VWAP, expect, because that will be the time, if you just jump in a trade for your first time, that will be the time that doesn't work, because none of these indicators are 100%. Is it stronger than a 21 EMA? I'm not sure, John, to be honest with you. I think it's great. It might be. It might be. This is the volume weighted average price. So I don't know. Like the 21 EMA is good, but I think VWAP is stronger. I'm not 100% sure, though, to be honest with you. Sure. If I were you, and if you want to add it, it's literally called VWAP in TradingView. And if you want to add it, I don't know if you use Tradeovate. If you're using Tradeovate, the way to get VWAP, this thick ass red line right here is VWAP. And it added the upper and lower band by default. This like pink dash line is, I could change these colors. I just needed it to be different than what all the other shit I have on here was. But this dash line is the upper VWAP band. This is VWAP, this thick red line, and then this is the lower VWAP band. One standard deviation off of VWAP, up and down, above and below. So if you want to add it to Tradeovate, you go into indicators, you go down to explore community indicators. It's going to load some fucking box here. And then you go in the filter and you type in VWAP. And then it will give you options. The one I chose, which one did I get? I think I got the second one. It's literally called VWAP. I downloaded it. You hit the download button. It gets added to the indicators. It'll be CE tools, but you have to refresh. You probably have to. I think you have to log out and log back in. But you'll get this. This will show up. This isn't here before that, but this will show up, and you just fucking CE VWAP. What does that stand for? Explore community exploration. I don't fucking know. Whatever it is. I guess that These are the fucking shitty moves. But what do you go down from? 645 to fucking. I mean, it is. Yeah, I mean, 40 points. It's pretty good. Look what it bounced right off of. John, it bounced right off of the fucking 21. The 5 minute 21 is this light purple line. Although I am on the 1 minute chart, so on the 1 minute it's the 105 if you do the math. The 105 EMA is the 5 minute EMA. The 105 EMA on the 1 minute is the 21 EMA on the 5 minute. Say that 10 times fucking fast. So, and here it is bouncing off again. I don't know if it's going to keep dropping. We might just ride this fucking 9 down a bunch. We could just keep hitting our head on the 9 and just keep trending down, which isn't fun if you're trying to build accounts. I mean, you could ride this short if you want. But I don't know. I don't know what I would do because I don't really play the trend. Yeah, there's a lot of fucking lines crossing all over each other. I mean, you could trade them both, John. You know, just wait, just watch and wait. Do a lot of breathing and relaxing. Shit. Anyway, what up, Vito? Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I worked this one pretty hard. I did good. What's funny is I was down. I had my first day with this account. I finished the day minus 150. So I did $5,650 in fucking 70 days. 7 days. 56 650. 5650 divided by 7. I average $807 a day for the next 7 days. And that's including this day being fucking, let's do 5650 minus 174. 5476 divided by 7, divided by 6, actually. Yeah, I was averaging $913 a day on days 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Or 2 through 7. Yeah, days 2 through 7, I averaged $912 in profit in that account. And then today I had a little baby day, so I just wanted to give it some more breathing room. And then the first day one of having this account, I was red by $150. Yeah, yeah, John. I mean, yeah, I like it. I like being a crackhead. It's definitely fucking shifty as fuck. Look at this. We bounced off to 21 again. Look at that. 9. I mean, I'm kind of crazy zoomed in, but 15 points right there. It's a nice little scalp. Here we are again. But anyway, guys, I gotta run because I'm starting to feel like I'm gonna fall asleep at the wheel, and I gotta wake up in 2 hours, 3 hours. I gotta wake up in 3 hours to take my son to work, and then come back home and go back to sleep. So I will be streaming later. I'll probably be on around 2:30. If you don't get the notification, well, first of all, you should subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Oh, also, if you guys are not a member of the Discord, it's free to join. It's where the DGen fam hangs out. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. It's a safe house, a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders, and you're welcome. Cool people are welcome. Discord, it's free to join, no strings attached. It's just a great place. Everybody hangs out in there. The conversation gets continued in there. It pops off in there too. There's a lot of fucking activity in there during normal hours. So there's the link for that. And if you need to grab any more accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, or you just want to get an account for the first time, you want to get a My Funded Futures account, check out the 50K starter or whatever. Use the best coupon code. My links are in the description. Is the link down? Which one? There's the link for the Discord. What was I saying? Yeah, if you want to support the channel, grab an account, click on the link, any of the links in the description below. If you already have accounts with those prop firms, just put in coupon code ZERODAYJAY. You can with an existing account. Yada, yada, yada. Bullinox 90% off. ZERODAYJAY works for that as well. With all that said, Bino, did you get the Discord? It's right there, but right above your chat. I hope you got it. Here it is again, in case you didn't. That's the Discord link. It's free to join. Awesome people hang out in there. A lot of really good traders in there, like really good traders hang out in there. Smart fucking traders. Much better traders than me. But anyway, with that said, I got to run. I'm fucking starting to fucking doze off here, and I don't have any accounts to trade. I'm going to get more accounts. I'm going to get like 1 or 2 more evals tomorrow during the day. But the market, the market, it's funny. The market was literally doing shit until it dumped here. But look, where are we? I need to get to, we're down. Let me go to the hourly. From the 200, let me add all this shit back. Orb, SMAs, previous day's high, and pivots. From the 200, we're down 40 something points. 43, we were down as much as 43 points or 44 points from the 200. Very interesting. The 200 is a key level too. But anyway, I'm going to run. It's been a pleasure, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Hopefully I'll see you guys later. I will be on anytime I'll be on around 2:30 tomorrow or today, Friday, New York session. I will stream to and through close. If you don't get the notification, just look for me during Power Hour. I will be on during Power Hour for sure. At the beginning of Power Hour and all the way through till the end, till 5 p.m. Eastern. All right, guys? With that said, thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night. Have a good trading day, and I'll talk to you soon.